Hello, my name is Kindson Munonye. Welcome as we start our discussion on control communication. This is the third and final process under the project communications management knowledge area. Previously on this knowledge area we discussed manage communications, where we see how the project manager and the managed team are involved in managing the communications in the project, giving relevant information to the people, choosing the right communication method to use, and so on. So today we are going to look at control communication, and this process falls under the monitoring and controlling process group. Let's dive in to look at what really is control communications. Control communications is a process of monitoring and controlling communications throughout the entire project life cycle to ensure the information needs of the project stakeholders are met. The key benefit of this process is that it ensures an optimal information flow among all communication participants at any moment in time. Alright, anytime you hear about control, think of measurement, checking, looking at what is happening and making sure things are going the right way. Alright, let's now look at the ITTOs of the control communications process. There I have listed the ITTOs in the table there. We have the project management plan as the first input, the project communications. Remember, the project communications is the output of the managed communications process, and the project management plan for sure contains the communications management plan, which is the output of the planned communications management process. We also have issue log as an input, our work performance data, organizational process assets. Here in control communication we have just three tools and techniques, and one is information management system, expert judgment, and meetings. We have a number of outputs including work performance information, change request, project management plan update, project document update, and organizational process assets update. Let's now look at each of these inputs, tools and techniques and output, and it will help us get a little clarification on why they are included. Project management plan is an input to control communications. The project management plan describes how the project will be executed, monitored, controlled, and closed. It provides valuable information for the control communications process, such as stakeholder communication requirement, reasons for the distribution of the information, time frame and frequency for the distribution of required information, individual or groups responsible for communication of the information, and individual or group receiving the information. Project communications is also an input to control communication, and project communication come from multiple sources and may vary significantly in their format, level of detail, degree of formality, and confidentiality. Project communications may include deliverables, status, schedule progress, and costs incurred. Alright, another input is issue log. Issue log, I think the issue log is output of the managed project theme coming from the project human resource management knowledge area. You remember, issue log is the output of the managed project theme. Alright, let's see, but now is an input to control communication. An issue log is used to document and monitor the resolution of issues. It may be used to facilitate communication and ensure a common understanding of issues. A written log documents and helps to monitor who is responsible for resolving specific issues by a target date. Issue resolution addresses obstacles that can block the team from achieving its goals. So you see how important issue log is? It helps the project team to resolve issues and to prevent further issues from occurring. The information here is important in control communication because it provides both a repository of what has already happened in the project and a platform for subsequent communications to be delivered. Another important input to control communication is the work performance data. The work performance data organizes and summarizes the information gathered and presents the result of comparative analysis to the performance measurement baseline. So the work performance data is an important input to control communications. Another input there is the organizational process assets. The organizational process assets that may influence the control communications process include reports, templates, policies, standards, and procedures that define communications, specific communication technologies available, allowed communication media, record retention policies, and security requirements. So that is the input to control communications. Let's now look at some of the tools and techniques for control communication. Well, the first tool and techniques for control communications is information management system. According to PMBOK, an information management system provides a set of standard tools for the project manager to capture, store, and distribute information to stakeholders about the project costs, schedule, progress, and performance. Some software packages allow the project manager to consolidate reports from several systems and facilitate reports distribution to the project stakeholders. Example of distribution formats may include table reporting, spreadsheet analysis, and presentations. Alright, we mentioned that there are just 3 tools and techniques used in control communication, that is information management system, expert judgment, and meetings. Expert judgment is used for control communication, and some of the information provided by experts may be from experts within the organization, consultants, other stakeholders. So leveraging on their knowledge to be able to control communication might be very effective. And then we have meetings. Meetings is necessary for controlling communication. It may be a discussion between as few as 2 persons who the whole project team meeting together to discuss. Alright, so this is how we wrap it up on the control communication process of the project communications management knowledge area. I hope this has been informative for you, and this is also how we bring an end to a discussion on the communications management knowledge area. And the next knowledge area we are going to be discussing is the project risk management after now. But for now, take a look at these control communications ITTOs, try to read them through a number of times so that you'll be able to remember them at all the time. So join me in my next presentation.